So here's the code of the point changing machine. Okay, so here's the simulation of the program. This one is the sensor, and this one is the LCD, and the inhibit, which inhibits the bill. Okay, so here is the keypad, and here's the MCU, 616F877A. Given the designated ports of the keypad, let's now resume to system testing. So select bit, set your bit. So select finish. Thank you for using this. So that's the end of our simulation. Thank you, and thank you for watching.